The birds are beautiful this morning. The plants are just so healthy and so vibrant. We've got loads of this red cedar right here. We've got these gigantic spruce, which, as you can see, unfortunately have been marked by the Forestry Commission ready for felling. That's what these orange dots mean. But we've also got beautiful broadleaf, we've got beech, we've got oak over in there, we've got amazing fern, there's loads and loads of bracken, and look at this moss. Feast your eyes on this moss. Is that not absolutely perfect? And the ferns all over.